Did you know that animal feedlots can contaminate nearby well water with high levels of nitrates, which have been linked to miscarriages in humans as well as baby blue syndrome in infants? Hello, my name is Jasmine, and I'm here to show you how vegetarianism is a good idea for you and your family to protect the environment, and I will discuss the impact livestock makes into our earth by water, animals, and global warming. By the end of this video, you will know how much strain livestock creates on our environment, and suspending yourself from eating meat at least for a whole day each week would benefit the environment. My first point is water usage. According to Dr. David Brubaker, PhD at Johns Hopkins University Center for a Livable Future, the way that we breed animals for food is a threat to the planet. It pollutes our environment while consuming huge amounts of water, grain, petroleum, pesticides, and drugs. The results are disastrous. Animal protein demands tremendous amounts of fossil fuel energy, about 8 times as much as a comparable amount of plant protein. The meat industry is a major cause of freshwater depletion. According to Ed Aries of the World Watch Institute, around the world, as more water is diverted to raising pigs and chickens instead of producing crops for direct consumption, millions of wells are going dry. India, China, North Africa, and the U.S. are all running freshwater deficits. The Great Ogallala Aquifer, a resource that took 500,000 years to accumulate, will be depleted in less than 40 years. According to Aries again, pass up one hamburger and you will save as much water as you save by taking 40 showers with a low flow nozzle. Second point is overgrazing. The number of threatened and endangered species imperiled by livestock grazing is 161. Cattle grazing is a serious threat to endangered species in both the western United States and in the rainforests of South America. In the United States, grazing has contributed to the demise of 26% of federal threatened and endangered species. In the Western Range Revisited, a 1999 book published by the University of Oklahoma, author Deborah L. Donahue writes, "Grazing's ecological impacts are more widespread than those of any other human activity in the West, and elimination of grazing holds greater potential for benefiting biodiversity than any other single land use measure." The situation is no better in South America, where rainforests are being destroyed at an alarming rate in order to clear the land for cattle grazing. According to the United Nations, ranching-induced deforestation is one of the main reasons for the loss of plant and animal species in the tropical rainforest. It is estimated that for each hamburger made from rainforest beef, members of life forms from approximately 20 to 30 different plant species, 100 different insect species, and dozens of birds, mammals, and reptile species are destroyed. The last point is global warming. According to the World Watch Institute, 1 ton of methane has a global warming potential of 23 tons of carbon dioxide. A single dairy cow produces the equivalent to over 1.5 metric tons of carbon dioxide. The tens of billions of farmed animals of the world to produce massive amounts of manure, which emit greenhouse gases such as methane, nitrous oxide, and carbon dioxide. Forests are being destroyed to make room for cattle to graze or to grow crops to feed livestock. When the trees are cut down or burned, the carbon dioxide they store escapes back into the air. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, over 200 manure discharges and spills from the U.S. animal farms between 1990 and 1997 have killed more than 1 billion fish. Livestock is also a major producer of ammonia, the culprit behind acid rain. 65% of the atmospheric ammonia stems from livestock farming, according to the Vegetarian Society of the UK. Now you know why it is beneficial to become a vegetarian, and you should become a vegetarian for at least one day of the week. I reviewed points from water, land grazing, and pollution. If you would like to protect the environment, the best way I think to protect the environment is to become into vegetarianism at least one day a week. Well, this has been my report. This is Jasmine Sadowski. Thank you for watching.